everybody, it's Bree Hall. Welcome back to my channel, and today y'all I have a special surprise. I've been in the work doing something for y'all because literally I appreciate you so much. I know I be on the short form content taking breaks and we can't be having that, so I can't come back empty-handed. So today, I know y'all probably been seeing RevAir blow dryers everywhere. If you don't know what a RevAir is, I'll explain later in the video. And the number one comment I always see on a RevAir video is, oh my gosh, but the dryer's $400. It's $400. And guess what? I partnered with RevAir today to bring you a RevAir giveaway. We will be giving away to one of my lucky subscribers a RevAir blow dryer, a full kit and caboodle, and it will be getting shipped directly from the RevAir factory. So with that being said, stay tuned for the rules, which I will play right now. Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share that I'm hosting a RevAir giveaway. I wanted to give back to our community, so here's how you can enter. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe to RevAir's YouTube channel as well. Both links will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below answering this prompt. Tell me about your biggest hair care setback and how you work to recover, just as I'll be sharing a little bit of mine in this video. Also, for bonus points, you can share more than one story in the comment section and it will count as an entry. This giveaway is only open to residents in the United States and Canada due to shipping restrictions, but we'll have many more in the future, y'all. The giveaway starts today, October 15th, and it ends October 28th, so be sure to enter during that time frame. I will be selecting the winner on October 28th and announcing the winner on October 30th. I will personally contact the winner in the comment section. If you have a non-private Instagram, also just leave your Instagram @name at the end of your comment. I will only be contacting people from my verified YouTube page or account, not any other way. So if you're contacted by anyone else, it is not me. Once contacted, the winner will have 12 hours to respond, so time is of the essence. If you do not respond in that select time, a new winner will be selected. And if the selected winner doesn't follow the giveaway rules, a new winner will be selected. Y'all, I cannot tell you how many times I've done a giveaway and someone won the giveaway, and then I looked and I checked for the rules and they didn't follow them and I had to choose someone else, so someone else got their prize. So make sure you follow all the rules because we will be checking. I can't wait to hear all of your stories and send one of my lucky subscribers off with a brand new RevAir dryer. So good luck to everyone, and I can't wait to read them. For more information, terms, and conditions, make sure to check the description box below, or if you just want a summary of everything I just said, this is the best way to get it. And alright, back to the video. Alright, thank y'all for watching the rules. Now, we're going to get into the full unboxing. I also have a comparison between the old RevAir and the new RevAir, so you know what you're getting here. Alright, so I read that manual. That's how much I love y'all, because I don't be reading manuals. I'll be reading instructions, none of that. So we're going to try 90 seconds on warm, 15 to 30 seconds on high, and then we're just gonna sit it on cool for like 10-15 just to calm it all down, and we're gonna see how that goes. And we're gonna trim our hair today because your girl, I've been ignoring my trims, y'all. It's been so bad. It's actually really bad. So fun fact, I have the original RevAir and the new RevAir, and I'm so excited because they made some upgrades. Also, y'all, I'm about to do a workout because one of them's really big, and like this, the original, and then the new one, they made it smaller and a little lighter for you girls. So I'm not exaggerating. This is the original RevAir. I've had it. I bought this with my own money years ago, so it's awesome to partner with them. And this is the new RevAir. So this is a pretty steep difference. You kind of see how lived in this is. I am giving this one to my mom. She's been wanting one, and I can't repeat this enough. We giving one to y'all. First setting we're gonna try, we're gonna do low heat, and we're going to do level 7 with my hair to put it in these Bantu knots. My porosity is a little all over the place because my hair is dyed jet black at the current moment, but I use their Hydrate, Nourish, and Protect and Detangle leave-in. This made my hair very soft, and it was actually an excellent detangler. I've been a little harsh with these hair products these days because, you know what I'm saying, like, there's a lot of options. And then I went in, bottles a little used, y'all. I went in with the Kerastase Defense Thermique Genesis, and this is a fortifying blow drying fluid. As you can see, I use a lot of this. There's a lot of blow drying fluids and stuff that I really enjoy. I also use just a little RevAir spray bottle to wet my hair. I love blow drying my hair when it's in Bantu knots because it gives it a little bit of stretch. I'm not using as much heat. I'm gonna take this section, detangle it. If I ever feel resistance in an area, of course, I'll come back to that area and add just a little bit more heat protectant or anything like that. Feeling good. I'm gonna spray a little on the ends just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna set it here to low just ahead of time. I'm gonna crank it up to 7. It's been 90 seconds. So this is after 90 seconds. My hair is literally completely dry, like completely, like there's no moisture left in here. So all I'm gonna do now, oh girl, we need a trim. Yes, child. You see I needed this trim so bad. Now I'm gonna do 30 seconds on high just because I want to get it sleek. This is on warm, like it was not that hot. And then I'm gonna do it on cool for like 10. Y'all, this is what my hair looks like after I put it on high for 30 seconds. This is good enough to literally, like, look at my roots too. I don't know if y'all are seeing this. This is good enough to go flatten my hair. Like, I could really go do a silk press. Y'all, it was 2 minutes on one section, and it's like, it's, I don't know if y'all could tell on camera, it is completely dry. It has a little shine to it still, which I'm in awe of. All right, so last but not least, I'm gonna just do it on cool just to... Right. I'm here to entertain y'all on my voiceover shenanigans. I am so happy that they made this RevAir so much lighter, y'all, because the original version, yeah, my arms were definitely getting a workout. It just feels better holding it, but I, as somebody who has disabilities, also understands the disability plight. So if you're somebody that might struggle to hold this dryer, I found this amazing accessory that is not associated with RevAir at all that is really amazing, and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. It's basically this dryer stand where you can just put the nozzle of the RevAir in the dryer stand. What it's looking like in my back 2 sections. Since my hair is prone to reverting quite quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and trim as I go. So usually what I do, I know this method is not the best, but just to get the initial, like the very initial cut. And I have a lot of dead ends, y'all, like cutting a good amount off. It makes life easier. It sure does. All right. Definitely have some more to cut. This is why you don't let your ends go for too long. Stuff that wasn't at the bottom. A lot of people focus trimming just towards the bottom, but you might have split ends that traveled up the strand, up the shaft. So I kind of try to hit those as well. The fact that it's hard to find them means that I did a good job though, y'all. I know the hairdresser community is going to come for me because I definitely could have trimmed more, and I'm going to, y'all, I promise. This is just the first round. I'm coming right back. I wanted to just get the bare minimum done on camera, but I definitely am one of those people where I will get very scissor happy, so I like to take a little break, and I'm gonna come back probably my next wash day and do a second round going in with this trim. Also, I don't think I ever mentioned this, but during the last few years, my hair had actually made it to hip length. length, but I made the crucial mistake of getting braids and not properly moisturizing my hair before getting a heavy quote unquote protective style. I used to hear people say, oh, like braids damaged my hair, and I don't know why, y'all, because I had been doing so well with my hair, I thought I was immune. So a lot of these ends that are just sparse and broken, I have been trimming and trimming and trimming my hair over just like the last few months, because this is damage I did back in last December. I should have just big chopped after I saw it, I'm not gonna lie, but my hair is in much better condition now because of how I've been taking care of it, and we're almost back fully. I feel like with one more really good trim we'll be back to normal, but you know, sometimes it feels a little embarrassing when you work so hard and you achieved your goal. I never even got to really celebrate reaching hip length with you guys because I was so embarrassed by how my ends looked after I got those braids. So I am just being transparent. Also, y'all are my community. I'm not going to sit here and hide my mess ups from you guys because that is what we're here for. Also, my strands are fine, but I have high density, so if you see a little bit of see-through parts, that's just kind of always gonna happen. Look at the material. I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all. Look at the material. Maybe this is almost straight. Okay, let's see. Time to give her a trim. Give her a trim. All right, y'all, we are about to be on the last section. This part, I literally just put the whole Bantu knot in because I know that my hair is a little bit, what is it, a looser curl pattern here? And it got it this straight, so I'm very impressed. I'm trying to think of how I usually would cut this section. So I bring it all the way forward. Oh, this is very satisfying. All right, last section. All right, y'all, this is the last section. Also, there should be an advertisement about curly cuts because any areas where you see where like the length looks a little different is because I cut my hair while it was curly. And I usually will do that just to shape it, but if I need extra work, I'll trim it usually when it's blow dried. This is usually always on blow dried hair. Whoa, I love picking out Bantu knots. A trim does a lot. It just looks so much healthier. And girl, I know I'm gonna still be finding pieces that make me irritated, like this one. All right, y'all, my hair is freshly trimmed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to do like a style. I just love how it just feels healthier. I know I could always trim more off. That's kind of my my flaw, which is how we got to this point. But and I know I probably need like a much bigger cut, but I'm working on nursing my hair back to health, y'all. We gonna get through it. So I'm gonna take one of my little RevAir clips for now just to get my hair out of here, out of my face. Okay. So with all due respect, we can't leave without our channel outro. We are not abandoning the channel outro, all right? So I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy to be here. And spooky season is a rise. So also I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas this year. So I love you. Peace out, gang gang. And I will see you in my next video. Don't be shy. Click that subscribe button.
Peace out, gang gang.